In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with FreshBooks support, step by step. Whether you have a quick question about your invoices or need help troubleshooting something deeper, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to type so you can reach the right person fast. First, log into your FreshBooks account using your regular credentials. Make sure you're in the correct business or workspace if you manage more than one, and that your internet connection is stable so the help tools load properly. It can also be helpful to have key details handy, like the name of the feature you're asking about or a recent invoice number. But don't include any passwords or sensitive information in your messages. Once you're inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Help icon, which appears as a small question mark. This is your gateway to FreshBooks resources and support options. If you're on a smaller screen or a tablet, you might need to expand the menu or rotate your device to landscape to see it clearly. From there, go to Support or Help Center. This area gathers articles, guides, and common troubleshooting steps. It's a great place to quickly search for answers if you want to try self-service first. Even if you plan to contact support directly, opening the Help Center ensures you're in the right spot to access all the ways to get help. Next, click Ask Us. This is where you'll engage with FreshBooks support pathways. Think of it as the start of your conversation with the team, whether you prefer typing or talking. In the prompt that appears, type the phrase, "Contact Support." Keep it simple and use those exact words. This tells the system that you want to connect with a real support representative rather than just browsing articles. If suggested resources pop up, you can skim them, but the key is entering that phrase to reveal contact options. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to either send an email to support or get the phone number. If you choose email, write a clear subject line, describe the issue concisely, and include any relevant screenshots or links. Just avoid sharing sensitive data. If you opt for a call, note the hours of availability and your local time zone so you can reach someone promptly. That's it. By logging in, opening the Help icon, entering the Help Center, choosing Ask Us, typing Contact Support, and following the prompts, you'll be connected to the FreshBooks support team in the way that works best for you.